Playgroup Mathematical Concepts Lesson 2. Fun with numbers. Number 1. This is number 1. Now children, I am going to point out and show you only one finger. Here see. Can you all see now? There is only one finger. You also can try it now. Look at this picture. We can see only one car. How many cars? Only one car. What is this? It's a fish tank. How many fish are there in the tank? 1. How many? 1 fish. Now look at this picture. What can you see? There is a baby elephant and the baby elephant is playing with a ball. How many elephants are there in the picture? 1. Only 1 elephant is there. How many balls are there? Only 1 ball is there. Can you count and see? Now children, we are going to count these objects. Can you see this beautiful flower? Count and see how many flowers are there. Only 1 flower. Now we are going to count the dogs. How many dogs are there? Only 1 dog is there. Now count and see how many aeroplanes are there. How many? Only 1 aeroplane. Children, can you see this tree with full of apples? Now we are going to count and put only 1 apple into the basket. Shall we do it? Here see. How many apples did I put inside the basket? Only 1 apple. Who is this children? It's a bee. Now who can tell me how many bees did fly out from the beehive? 1. Only 1 bee came out of the beehive. Now we are going to do a fun activity. Can you see these apples? Shall we count and color only 1 apple? Here see, I colored only 1 apple. Now we are going to do another activity. Can you all see these bears? Shall we color only 1 bear? Count and color. I colored only 1 bear. How many bears did I color? Only 1 bear. Let's learn how to write number 1. You have to start from the top, then slowly come down. It's just a straight standing line. Very easy. Okay children, shall we select the branch which has only 1 owl sitting on it? Look at this branch. Are there any owls? No. Now look at this branch. See, how many owls are there? Is it only 1 owl? No. There are more owls sitting on the branch. Now let us look at this branch. Look, how many owls are there? Is it only one owl or more? There are more owls sitting on the branch, more than one. Oh, look at this branch. How many owls are there? Is it one? Yes, there is only one owl sitting on the branch. Shall we circle that branch? Here we go. I circled the branch which has only one owl sitting on it. Shall we select the sea lion who has only one ball? And we'll circle it. Okay, now look at this sea lion. How many balls are there? Is it only one ball? No. So can we circle the sea lion? No, we can't. Now look at this sea lion. How many balls are there? Is it only one ball or more? There are more balls. So we can't circle this sea lion. Now let us go to the other sea lion. Look at this sea lion. How many balls are there? Is it only one? Yes, there is only one ball here. So I'm going to circle now. Why did I circle this sea lion? Because there is only one ball. Kids, recall what you have learned. We learned number 1. What did we learn? Number 1. We learned to count one object and to select the set which has only one object. Also, we learned how to write number 1. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson today. We'll meet again with another lesson. Thank you and stay safe.